Hi guys, this is Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning, positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I have a haul for you today. And first, I must apologize for not posting for the last 2 weeks. I've had to work. My company officially opened up, but the majority of the people still have not actually returned to the office yet. They were still teleworking, I guess that's what they call it. But I have to go in because I'm IT, and from my house to the job is 70 miles round trip. So that is very draining for me. So needless to say, I hadn't done a whole lot for the last 2 weeks, but I took some time out and I went to Dollar Tree like this morning. I think I slept okay, but I went to Dollar Tree this morning and Wally World and picked up a few things, and I want to show you guys. So first of all, let me show you this from Walmart. My grandbaby got me these. She got me this seasonal Happy Planner sticker book. It was on clearance and it's cute. I have no problems with it at all. As soon as I get started back in my memory planner, I'm going to use these, especially since it's summer, and these are nice bright summer colors. And she got me this paper pad, and which will go really well with my, what is it, my vintage theme of my, oh my god, my junk journals that I'm working on. So yeah, this will work very nicely with those. And what I purchased from Wally World was these Scotch thermal laminate sheets, laminating pouches. I got these, and of course I have some around here somewhere, and when I went to look for them, I couldn't find them like normal. They'll pop up sooner or later. And I got these foam sheets. Now I only wanted one sheet. I said, well, I'll just go and buy one sheet. I just needed a white. And of course, this pack was the only thing they had. So now I have this huge stack of foam sheets. So those were the only 2 things that I purchased from Walmart. And now my next question is, do you have anybody that comes to you and says, you know, you got too much stuff? And then they give you stuff like this. And they don't understand that they're part of the reason why you got so much stuff. Isn't this the cutest thing? My daughter brought me these, and she's gonna complain to me, Mom, you got too much stuff. But this is what she brings me. I went to the Crafter Square section, and this is the only trim like this that I saw, which I'm happy because it is of a neutral color. I had purchased these foam sheets. I actually purchased these foam sheets before I got the ones from Wally World, and they didn't have a white, so that's why I went to Wally World looking for white. But I got these to try to do the lollipops that Miss put some bling on it, and I think her name is Natalie, and if it's not, I apologize. That's why I originally got the foam sheets. And I ordered a case of these things because I couldn't find them in my store. So I have 8 blues, 8 of this color. Come on out of here, thing. Have mercy. 8 of this one, and 8 of the clear. So that's why I have those. And let me see what else I got. Forgive the noise from the bags too, guys. I picked up these large butterflies. Why? I don't know. I don't have any projects in mind for these yet, but I got this pack of the large butterflies. I found some gray crepe paper. I found some purple crepe paper, which I was actually surprised, but pleasantly surprised that they had it. I got this little bottle here, and I'm thinking about maybe completing my rolling tray with it. I don't know yet, because I couldn't find the jar that I really wanted. I picked up 2 of these, and The reason why I picked these up, what are these? These are push pins. Miss Posh Paper Lady, when she does some of her projects, she uses thumbtacks to secure some of the things that she does. So I was thinking maybe I could get away with it, but now that I think about it, probably not, because of the plastic. No, these little cute little things, they're plastic, and if I try to break the metal part or bend the metal part, it'll probably break the plastic. So I have to see, I have to work on that and see if I can figure out some way to work those into some projects. And I got some felt sheets. I got 2 of the white, I got a red and a purple. Here's a green, here's black. I picked up some yarn because I have never made, what is that thing? A pom-pom. I've never made a pom-pom. So I picked up some yarns so I can do pom-poms and tassels. Okay, I want to create, to attempt to create pom-poms and yarn, pom-poms and tassels using yarn. So I got the blue, I got the green, I got that color, turquoise, I got the yellow, I got the white, I got orange. Is there another color in here? No. And I got this ribbon right here, and I didn't notice this right here, so I may take it back. But do you guys know what to do with this? I picked it up, I thought it was cute, so we shall see. So I put that back. And the last things I got from Dollar Tree are, let's see, I got these wood planks. Why, I don't know, but if you guys know what kind of crafting project you can do with these wood planks, let me know. I got these butterflies, and these are oldie but goodie. I used to get these back in the day. I don't remember where I got them from. It could have been from Dollar Tree, I don't know, but I did get those. I got these pink gems. Now, I had another color, but I guess I left them or lost them on the way. And I got these for a shaker just in case I actually start back doing those. So I got this purple mix right here. I got this pink mix right here. I got this green mix. I got this bronzy or neutral color mix. And I got this blue mix. And I picked up this craft glue. If anybody, or if any of you have tried this craft glue, leave me a note or leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about it. Okay. Oh, and the last thing, I got some new dyes in from Aliexpress. Well, it's only 3. I think it's 3, but I have about 20 more coming in, so I think what I'll do is just not, do a haul video of the dyes until I get them all in, and I'm going to stop ordering them. That might help a lot, you know what I mean? Okay, so the first one I got is this one. It says happy birthday. It's just a banner. Actually, I thought it was kind of like a bag topper, but it's just a banner, which is fine. I got this little person right here, a little strawberry. I call her strawberry head. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy. I guess it really doesn't matter. She got the lashes, so we'll say the little female strawberry head. And then this die right here. Now this die is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Let me see. Can you guys see that? Nah, that writing is not good. But you see how big this die is? This is a cup. And this is the steam right here. There's some hearts, steam from the cup, some hearts here, and it comes with the word coffee. So now I think that is it for this haul video. I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.